Oo. Ayun. Ay, naka-live to. Sige, lalapit. Live.
Parang may ano po.
Saan? Layo. Pwede na makapuli. Makapuli na lang natin.
Or mag-introduce sa dance, ito
Ano?
Pwede ba kayo mag-introduce? Ako ngayon,
Banana.
tsaka galing sa dulo.
Okay.
And of course we have here Miss Janie G. Yes, thank you so much, Miss Janie.
Sino ba yan?
Congratulations. Of course, isa po sa aking mga boss sa Rise Artist Studios. Yes. Presenting ABS-CBN Film Productions Inc. Ayan. Hello, Miss Janie. And hello, Pao. Ano ba? Guys, gusto ko lang sabihin, grabe talaga yung brownies nito. Napakasarap. Nagpipili po ito. Ano ulit yung IG ng JDC Bakes? Guys, i-search nyo sa Instagram. Napakasarap ng salted caramel brownies niya. As in, I swear. As in, guys, bumili na kayo. Favorite po yan ng ABS-CBN second floor. Sold out po yan lagi at isa ako sa mga buyers mo. JDC Bakes on Instagram, okay? Ayun, so alet, yun na naman natin yung kanina. Okay, yung mga artist na pumasok, diba? Sino ba yung mga pumasok na Daryl? Our Philippine brothers, diba?
Out mo lang.
Yes, and our Philippine gentleman house. May syempre sa pa rin siguro si Jay Miranda na nag-host, diba? But we are so excited to watch this. Again, a quick reminder sa lahat po ng ticket holders, you guys can head over inside the cinema so you guys can get your seats or claim your seats para maganda yung view natin, di ba? Sa movie, di ba pa? Again, thank you guys so much for being here. Again, this is ABS-CBN Studios and Spark Creatives in cooperation with Studio Dragon Corporation and CJE&M. Presents the Philippine adaptation of It's Okay to Not Be Okay, directed by Direct Me Cruz Alviar and Raymond Ocampo. The comeback of the one and only Miss Akron is together with Joshua Garcia. We are so excited because I feel first time ko nila, no? First time nila na maging players, so excited. Oh my gosh, imagine. Okay, ngayon naman. Wait lang, sino pa ba yung mga papunta na? Yes, oh my gosh. Sino dito mga supporters ng Dong Pats? Yes, Dingdong Lahan and Patrick, Dong Pats supporters. At dito rin ang mga Sparks Camp Season 3. Hi mga! Kamusta? Sparks Camp Season 3, Camper. Okay, ayun. Quick
Sino ba yan?
Once again, this is Kim of Sparks Camp Season 3 joining us dito. If you guys haven't watched Sparks Camp Season 3 yet, napakabongga. Kim! Give everyone yung Sparks Camp.
Every Wednesday, 7 p.m. on
I love it. Thank you so much, Kim. So nice seeing you. And thank you so much. Congratulations on everything. We'll see you inside and enjoy the show. Again, Sparks Camp every Wednesday, guys. Ayun. Okay, I love it. Diba? I told you guys, sobrang star-studded. If you guys don't know, Sparks Camp is actually one of our LGBTQIA+ dating shows dito sa ABS-CBN. So again, we are spreading awareness. Diba? Mabuhay ang mga bakla, mabuhay ang LGBTQIA+ community. We are so excited to talk more about not only LGBTQIA+ topics, but also bringing mental awareness. Diba? Yes. All about that in ABS-CBN, all about inclusivity and loving everybody. And now we have here the one and only Miss Ara Gabao. Yes. Hello, Ate Ara. One of our artists from Star Magic. Ayan. Yes, go Ate. Again, this is Ara Gabao. One of our friends and artists, coming media artists. She will support, of course,
Live to eh.
Ara here.
One more.
Okay. Alright, so actually,
Bukas sila shot nila.
is also part of It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Makikita natin siya sa ating Thursday. Congratulations, Ate Ara. Ayun, diba? To be a part of this very, very big teleserye. The comeback of Ann Curtis. And the first time to be paired with the one and only Joshua Garcia. Grabe talaga. And also with Carlo Aquino in the cast as well. Also joining us. We also have here, syempre, Bianca De Vera, Aljon Mendoza, and Chody. Cyril Manabat, Luis Abuela, Sabundayaw, Robert Mortiz, Michael De Mesa, Anabat Santos, Charlene Suarez, Alora Sasam, Mark Oblea, and Noel Comia. Dito sa ating It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Alright, so sino pa ang ating mga friends dito sa ating red carpet segment? Okay? Ayun, okay. Alright, of course, nandito ngayon, we have here Jasmine Curtis Smith. Yes, sobrang ganda ni Ate Jazz, grabe. So, once again, we have Jasmine Smith joining us for the premiere. Alam niyo ba guys, share na lang. First time na pinili-interview si Ate Jazz was for a product during the pandemic. So, online pa yung interview namin. And now it's so nice to finally meet Ate Jazz in person. So nice to meet Ate Jazz. Congratulations. Yes, Ate Jazz, let's have a quick interview. How does it feel na finally makikita natin ulit your ate on screen after how many years?
Yeah, I think we're all so excited to watch her back in a drama, in a series, and I think for all her fans, for all Joshua, Carlos, everyone else's fans, they're sobrang excited. Habang-abang talaga to kasi I know all the effort that she put into it, especially pagdating sa outfits ni ate. Sobrang tutok niya. So I'm very excited to see the fruit of their hard work. And I love this series so much. So to see a Philippine adaptation, laging nakaka-excite.
Yes, we are so excited to also see, and I can't wait to see the outfits also. I love that you mentioned that.
Diba?
Yes. But Ate Jazz, siguro, before I let you go, a quick message for Andrews.
Congratulations, ate. This is finally the fruit of your hard work throughout all the past few months. I can't wait to watch it. And remember, sa lahat ng pagdadaanan natin as sisters, as family, it's okay to not be okay sometimes. Sometimes, pero
ating red carpet and photo wall. Ayan. And when posted on social media platforms, don't forget to use the hashtag It's Okay. Special screening. Like na like po tayo dito sa Trinoma, yes. Again, my name is Alana Perez, your host for today. And I'm so happy to be here kasi again, life motto ko to. It's okay to not be okay. Yes, life motto pa yan. And I love how we are able to just, you know, lift awareness, diba?
Anthony Jennings.
Alright, ngayon naman, syempre, isa sa mga kapatid ko from Rise Army Studios and one of our lead roles sa Incognito, Anthony Jennings! Is here. Hello, Anthony! Anthony, meron akong Q&A for you. Siyempre, alam naman natin, Anthony, that meron kang maraming friends dito sa It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Ano ang number one ina-expect mo sa teleserye ito as one of the most talented actors sa ABS-CBN?
Expect ko na siyempre magaling talaga si Luis.
Yes.
Pero siyempre, inaabang ko din dito yung kaibigan ko si Luis Abuel.
Hey!
Kay Luis, siyempre sa buong cast na ito, sinusupport namin sila lahat. Guys, saan ka? Kasama rin ako.
Yeah? Ano yun? Season 2. Okay, Anthony, last message for Luis since siya talaga yung inaabangan mo.
Luis, ito ba? Ako lang yung nanonood na. Kaya, ayun na. Sana kay Luis, yun nga, nakasama ko naman siya before, talagang magaling siya talaga. And sobrang sinusupport na niya rin ako sa lahat ng mga shows mo. So, maraming salamat, Luis. And dito ako para sa'yo.
I love it. Okay, once again, let's give it up for Anthony Jennings. Okay, quick photo op muna. Yes, photo op muna. Kay Anthony. Ayun. Yes, quick photo op muna kay Anthony Jennings. Ayun.
Anthony Jennings. Dito.
Okay. Magkaway ko na kayo.
Alright. Ngayon naman, presenting to us, we have some of our classmates from It's Okay. We have Aurora Sasa. Yes. Alright. Aurora Sasa joining us dito.
Takot na lang kaya pag-cast. Para maiba sa this.
Quick
Aljon!
Okay. Anong masasabi niyo? Grabe, congratulations. Ang tagal niyo siguro nag-work for this teleserye. How does it feel? 1 year? Oh my gosh, long time. Okay, so how does it feel na finally makita na natin yung product ng hard work niyo?
Sinawitness ko yung paano siya ginawa. Nakita ko yung hard work and yung chemistry as a group ng production ako. So, maraming mag-gusto nito. It's okay to have go. So, please, ito na guys.
Okay, go Bianx.
Actually, I'm very excited. Sabi nga ni Aljon, we've been working on this for a year. And it's a very, very beautiful project. And we're all very, very proud of it.
Hindi ko alam.
So, ayun, maraming salamat po sa
Kanina pa tumatawag.
Okay, so we have the microphone, yes. Yes, ang microphone. Okay. Okay, so hello po. We have Madam Joshua Garcia and Curtis and Carlo Aquino. Nasaan si Carlo? Ayun, sorry. Carlo Aquino, sa gitna po tayo. Yes, Miss Journey. Yes, would you like to go to the video, Sir Carlo? Okay. Alright, so again, we have here Curtis as Mia Hernandez, Joshua as Pat Pat, and Carlo as Matt Matt. Hello, congratulations guys. Okay, first of all, let's start with Carlo. Carlo, of course, congratulations. I heard that this was a very tricky role for you. Can you talk to me about how the experience was working in OTP?
First time ko magkaganitong role. So yung hirap parang kasama na yun. Pero napadali yung trabaho ko dahil minahal ako ng broadcast. Minahal nila si Matma. So na-enjoy na tayo ng show.
Congratulations to you, Carlo. We're so excited to see you. Dito sa It's Okay. Ngayon naman kay Joshua Garcia. Hi, Joshua!
Para makatrabaho ito mga nagagawin ng personnel, nagagawin ng mga directors, masaya, and isa siya sa mga offered the books na gagawin. And masaya ako nakawala sa kasama. Ayun.
Yes.
Excited na kinakabahan.
Yes. Okay. Before that, before we continue our Chika Minute, group photo muna, yan, with the cast. Once again, group photo of our It's Okay to Not Be Okay cast.
Hi guys, here!
cinema, while Joshua, Carlo, and Anne, and of course Direct May and Direct Raymond to stay on stage. So our support cast, you guys can now head on over to the cinema. Ayan. Again, Aljo Mendoza, Blanca Barrera, Luis Aguilar, Michael Cabeza, Ana Abad Santos, Noel Correa, Mark Oblea, Charmaine Suarez, and Francis Mabandawa, and ang mga kapuno of our main cast, Joshua Mendoza, hindi lang yung cast, guys, pero pati naman ang ating red carpet attendees. Alright, a quick reminder po sa lahat po ng ticket holders na nandito ngayon, you guys can now head on over and enter our cinema seats. Dito sa Channel 1, let's go tayo ulit sa loob ng Cinema 6. Again, for those of you who have tickets or are ticket holders, please head on over to Cinema 6.
Bartagul.
Yes, alright, now joining us from our TV Golden is Leon! And syempre, nakita ni Gulbos and Jacqueline! Joining us from our red carpet segment, ayan! Syempre, congratulations sa ating TV Golden housemates! Makikita rin po natin sila this August. Yes, for the Cola concert sa Araneta.
Ay, wag mo lang po, wag lang po. Okay, dito po. 1, 2, 3. Saka po. Sa kanila po. Lana. Ma'am, looking po. 1, 2. Saka po. Thank you. Over here, Bell. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Bell, one more, bell. One more.
May pinapatay kang kalot. Okay na to. Bawal yan eh. Eh kasi hindi pa sila nagkakaroon.
At dun sa loob po ako.
Eh sabi hindi na raw yun.
Sino sabi?
Si ano kanina. Ibang kami yung gagawin. Oo nga.
Okay na?
Okay lang. Four. Pwede yan? Bawal, diba? Mga tao na lang.
Yung cellphone mo daw.
Ah, lives to. Live stream lang ano to. Okay na ba to? Okay na.
Here po, Star Magic!
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kaya nga eh.